And that's what we were really excited about. Beyond the humanitarian, do good, save lives, all that sort of stuff, is the dollars and cents of it. Because in the end, any new aircraft program is going to take a long time and take a lot of money. And so you better make sure that it's a solid investment opportunity, really, because as we've seen in the advanced air mobility space, there are a lot of cases where uh, it potentially less than ideal concepts have been funded, and then they wind up tanking. And after many hundreds of millions or billions of dollars are invested.